today's quick tip, we're going to look at washing your bike. Now, everyone knows what you do is get a bike wash, mix it with some water and put it in a sprayer like this to wash your bike. Now, a 2 litre one like this is fine if you're maybe going out racing and down at the track because it's easy to pack into your car. But what I've found is it doesn't last very long when you're washing your bike. You might only get 1-2 washes out of it, 3 if you're really pushing it, and I wouldn't do that anyway. So the best thing to do is go out and get yourself a monster one like this. 8 litres, that's the one that you want. You get a lot more washes out of. Of course, what you do is spray your bike down and then pressure wash it. For those really finicky people like myself out there, then you get a bucket, wash your bike, and of course pressure wash it down afterwards. But with 8 litres, you get to mix a lot more up. You're not mixing all the time like you do with the 2 litre ones. You're not running out halfway through spraying your bike through a wash. All you got to do is get one of these. They last you probably 5 or 6 times. Get down to your local hardware store and buy the biggest one you can get. I've found this 8 litre one to be perfect. I'm getting 4 or 5 washes out of it before I have to refill it again. And of course, when I'm coming home and the daylight's running out, I don't have to worry about going mixing up a 2 litre one to spray your bike down and get your bike washed. If you're in a hurry, this is the best thing to do when you're at home. So there's my quick tip. It's all about saving time when you're washing your bike. Get down to your local hardware store and pick yourself up and get washing.